Have you ever felt a moment so small, yet somehow everything felt lighter? When someone is by your side, suddenly challenges feel easier and joys feel bigger. Want to know the Bengali word that captures this feeling? Then stay with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to Shaheda Bengali Paradise. Learn Bengali, speak from heart. I'm your teacher, Shaheda Akter Chowdhury. Today is day 8 of our 60-day Bengali Vocabulary Confidence Journey, where you don't memorize words, you feel them, use them, and truly own them. And at the end of this lesson, you will receive a special reward. So stay tuned with us until the end. Today's word is together. In Bengali, we say ekshate. Repeat after me. Ekshate. Now you say it. Did you try? Very good. In Bengali, together doesn't mean with others. It's about connection, support, and shared moments. You can be stronger together, happier together, learning together. When you say together, it carries warmth, support, and unity. Transliteration helps you understand pronunciation, but remember, Bengali is not English. Do not force English sounds into Bengali words. Let Bengali sound like Bengali. Listen, repeat, feel the rhythm. At the end of these 60 days, there will be a Bengali Vocabulary Fluency Assessment. Students who participate will receive a Bengali Vocabulary Fluency Certificate. If you want to join that assessment, put your name on the exam wish list. The link is in the bio description or comments depending on the platform you are using. For learners who want deeper practice, I have created a 15-day private Bengali vocabulary program, short focused sessions designed to build spoken confidence. Visit our website. It's for students who want structured guidance and faster progress. If you would like to take today's lesson a step further, every lesson in this 60-day Bengali series comes with a complete written study guide on my website. You will find it in the blog section with the full lesson, subtitles, detailed explanations, extra example sentences, and everything we cover in this video. It is the perfect place to review today's lesson at your own pace and strengthen your understanding. And if you would like personal guidance, you can book private lessons directly through my website. Countless students have already changed their lives with this method. Now let's move on to today's word, real native style example sentences. We worked together on the project. আমরা প্রকল্পে একসাথে কাজ করেছি. They walked together. তারা একসাথে হাঁটছিল. Notice something important? Together in Bengali usually goes after the verb, not at the beginning alone. Small placement changes can make sentences sound natural. Now this is your moment. Pause the video, make one sentence about yourself using together in Bengali. Say it out loud, then write it in the comments. Your voice carries the connection and your confidence grows. No matter your level, your opinion matters. If you could design your dream Bengali course or next learning challenge, what would you want to learn? Write it in the comments. This was day 8. Tomorrow, day 9, we will explore another word that touches daily life. Before you go, don't forget to visit the blog section on my website for today's complete study guide. It's there whenever you would like to review the lesson or get some extra practice. Thank you for learning with me today. Follow the journey. Stay consistent with Shaheda Bengali Paradise. Learn Bengali, speak from heart. See you in the next lesson.